Hello friends, today I am here with another interesting craft video. So today we can make a beautiful and a moving bird. For that you need all these materials. First of all, take an empty Tetra Pak like this. It can be large or small. I picked a large one. The first thing we need to do is cut it in half in the middle. Mark the middle portion and then cut it down using a knife. Now cut the portion from about 3 cm wide. Add the cut bottom portion like this and mark on both sides of this large piece. Point to the marked line so that it comes approximately to the center portion. Now use a tool like this to make a hole on both sides of the point. Take a straw and cut it in small pieces like this. And fix it in both sides of the holes. You can use gum on the outside and inside to keep it firm. Take a chopstick like this and pass it through these holes. We need only this length, so mark and cut it into the side portion. Yes, so we need only this length. Now put a hole in the center of the mouth portion of this Tetra Pak. The hole should not be too small. Make a hole in the center of the bottom portion as well. Now let us fix the bird's wing. You can draw and cut the wings of your choice in chart paper. These wings can be glued in the same way on both sides of the stick. Now take a thick twine like this and pass it through the bottom portion first. And then roll it through the inner stick once or twice. The bottom portion can be inserted in the main body slowly and fix it using a gum. Now take two metal washers like this and fix them at the two ends of the twines. The extra twine portions can be cut down. Yes, so the body of our bird is ready. Let us fix eyes for the bird. All you have to do is draw the eye in a cardboard using a sketch pen. Now with this small piece of paper, you can make a beak for the bird like this. Let us fix the beak using gum. Now, in this way, cut the paper and wrap it around the straw and make pendants to put on the bird's head. So fix those pendants on the head of the bird. So guys, our bird is ready now. Let us see how this bird flies. Can you see our beautiful moving bird? I hope you all like this video. Try this craft at home. Also share your work with us through comment box. We will meet again in next session with another craft. Till then, bye.